Yeah, laser welding is terrible. Barely works. Can't penetrate. Not strong enough. Definitely don't trust it. Better spend 4 times more buying the exact same concept from a giant brand with a golf tournament budget. Because obviously if something is faster, less heat distortion, it must be fake. Look, I get it. If it doesn't weigh 11,000 pounds, need 3 technicians, and come with a service contract written by Satan. People get nervous. But here's the real problem. Most people don't understand means of manufacturing. They think harder equals better. No, better equals better. Less cleanup, less distortion, less training time, less labor, more consistency. That's why laser welding is exploding. You can keep laughing at it, right until your competitor starts shipping faster than you.